Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Stephen Wright. Today's lesson is tips for telling time in English. Tips for telling time in English. So someone may ask you the question, what time is it? Or what's the time? He may also say, tell the time. Is that understood? Okay. Today I'm going to teach you how to tell times in English. How to tell time in English, okay? Here we have 10 and the double O. Here we leave is 10 o'clock. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. So you can first 10 by any number. Either 1 is 1 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's 4 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock, and so forth. Do you understand? Okay? So you say it's 10 o'clock when it is 10 o'clock without any minute or second. So exactly on the dot, you say it is 10 o'clock. You can also say it is 5 o'clock. Is that understood? Here we read it's a quarter past 5. It's a quarter past 5. Supposing that, a little time ago, we were at 5 o'clock, but now 5 minutes has just increased. We say it's a quarter past 5. Is that understood? You can also read 5:15. But to use this, the second way for telling time, especially when trying to give some, times, specific times where something happens. For example, I may say, I usually finish my work at 5:15. Do you understand? So don't try to see the difference between these two expressions. Here we use this a quarter past 5 when telling times. But when telling time when something happens, especially in the regular pattern, usually use the second expression. Or they say, in fact, lessons usually start at 7:15. You see, at 7:15. But when telling time, say it's a quarter past 5. Okay? But when giving time when something opens or closes, usually use the second expressions, okay? They say, the bank or the banks close at 5:15. Do you see? This is specific time when something closes or when something opens. Is that understood? Good. So now here with it, it's a 6:30. It's a 6:30. Is that understood? Well, even though you can put here 5, you can say it's a 5:30. Do you understand? Or, for example, if I usually wake up at 6:30, it means that I cannot use this expression as help us. No, I say I usually wake up at 6:30. You see, this is specific time when something happens. So the second expression are used for for specific times when something usually happens. Is that understood? Okay, here we say it's a quarter to 4. It's a quarter to 4. You can see that here we have, it's a 3. And here we have 45 minutes. Okay? And then to get to 4 o'clock, we still have 15 minutes left. So when telling time, you say it's a quarter to 4. We are about to get at 4 o'clock. Is that understood? It's a quarter to 4. You cannot say it's 15 minutes, it is 45 minutes past 3. No. But here we usually say it's a quarter to 4. Is that understood? Now, for example, if I usually finish my work at this time, I will say every day I finish my work at 3:45. Okay? Every day I finish my work at 3:45. Is that understood? Good. So now, here we read, it's 10 past 11. It's 10 past 11. It's 10 past 11. For example, if something happens regularly at this time, say, football matches on Sunday usually start at 11:10. Okay, this is a specific time when something happens. It may be closing or opening It just depends on the event. It's understood. Here I would say, it's 20 to 12. It's 20 to 12. Do you see the difference? Here, to get to 12, we only have 20 minutes left. 20 minutes left. It's understood. Here we cannot say it's 14 minutes past 11. No. But most of the time we should say it's 20 to 12 because we only have 20 minutes left to go on to 12 o'clock. Is that understood? Very good. Now, we say it's 7 minutes past 2. 7 minutes past 2. 7 minutes past 2. Okay? 7 minutes past 2. Here, we'll lead to 2. You cannot say it's 14 like how we do in French now. In English, that's a different matter. Is that understood? Very good. So to be frank, 60 seconds equals 1 minute. And then 60 minutes equals an hour. And then 24 hours equals a day or 1 day. Is that understood? So what I was trying to show you is that so that you can really tell time by using these expressions as reference. Okay? Because you can also say it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 11. It's 10. Okay? And then more. Good. So now I'm going to give you other tips about telling time. Okay. Now, to show what part of the day we mean, we can use ear or in the morning. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, or I wake up at 6 a.m. So pay attention to these two expressions. You cannot use a.m. and in the morning in the same sense, no. So it may sound lewd, or it may sound, ungrammatical. Okay? Here, for example, here the meeting is at 10 a.m. or the meeting is at 10 o'clock in the morning. So if I add in the morning, it means that this expression am will be excluded. Is that understood? Also, you can say PM or in the afternoon, in the evening, or at night. At night. Examples? The shop closes at 6 p.m. or the shop closes at 6 o'clock. If I say 6 o'clock, I cannot add this PM now. It may sound ungrammatical. Say the shop closes at 6 p.m. or the shop closes at 6 o'clock in the afternoon, or not in the evening. Is that understood? Again, she came home at 8 o'clock in the evening, or she came home at 8 o'clock in the evening. Huh? I always say she came home at 11 o'clock in the evening. Is that understood? So, PM or in the evening, in the morning, at night, this cannot be in the same sentence, but you rather use one of these. Is that understood? A show to look at. I say that Messiah is 10 o'clock. So you can replace by 10 by any hour of the day. Say it's 10 o'clock or it's 5 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, and many more. You can also say it's a quarter past 5. It's a quarter past 5. Or it's a quarter past 11. It's a quarter past 12, and many more. You can also say it's a quarter to 2. Here I say like this. 2. Remember, I think that here we read, it's a quarter to 3 because we only had 15 minutes left to get at 3 o'clock. Is understood? It's a quarter to 3, by the way. Here I can say it's a quarter past 3. Do you see the difference? Here, it's a quarter. A quarter is a quarter. Past 3. But here outside, it's a quarter to 3. Now, I think now you can just note the difference between these two expressions. But also, I'd like to give you another tip, another bonus tip, which is this one. Here we say, it's a half past 10. It's a half past 10, right? It's a half past 10. Right. Okay? So by referring to these expressions you see right here, I think that you can be able to tell time. Whenever somebody said, hey, tell the time. Hey, what time is it? Hey, what's the time? I feel now you're able to tell times in English. So guys, thank you very much for being with me. I hope this story was very entertaining and enjoying. See you in the next episode. Tala.